White's challenge here is to make a living shape. So there's no way to increase eye space. So white must try the build two eyes method, right? Try to construct two eyes in this little space that white has. So usually in this type of situation, a good point to try is the 2-1 point. And the correct answer is right here, right? So after playing here, because playing at 1 and 3 can guarantee a real eye here at the 1-1 point. This is a very efficient way to build one eye. And as long as you can try to find another real eye elsewhere, you can succeed. So that's the idea of occupying the 2-1 points. And of course, if black comes in here, white must block and swallow number 2. And the best black can try is probably just to decrease white's eye space. And there will be enough, right? White will be able to make 2 real eyes after number 9. You can try some of the other variations on your own, and number 1 is the correct move. All other moves will not be correct. If white plays here, then black can come in, occupying the other 2-1 point. And now white is in trouble, because if white tries to increase eye space this way, black can play something like this, right? Threatening to connect back. And as long as black builds a fake eye, even if it's a fake eye, inside white's eye space, this will be a bulky 5 shape in the end, right? Because white cannot play this or this. Black can just connect here, and this will be a bulky 5 in the end. It'll be something like this in the end. So it'll be a dead shape for white. But if white doesn't play, this will eventually be a real eye versus no eye situation, and white will still be dead. So 2, 4, and 6 is a good sequence for you to learn to kill your opponent, right? As long as you build a fake eye inside your opponent's eye space, this will be a bulky 5 or real eye versus no eye. So that is why number 1 here will not work. Some of these other moves will also not work because first of all, at least black can make a ko this way. And this is not as good as a clean living shape for white. In this situation, black can also play at the 2-1 point, and after number 6, if white tries to build an extra eye, then black will connect back with number 8. If white tries to capture these 2 stones in the snapback, black can come in this way and destroy this eye on the right side. Similarly, if white plays here, then black can still push at number 2. If white blocks, then once again, at least black will be able to make a ko here. And you can try some of the other variations on your own. Number 4 here doesn't work. This will also be a ko, I think. Or not. This might be this is actually a seki, so it doesn't work for black. If black plays here, or black can actually come in this way, right? Because eventually, after white captures, black can play this move to kill white. White cannot play at number 15, and white is actually dead. So this might be a sequence where white will be dead after 4 and 6. So overall, a little complicated, but as you're getting more experienced, you should try the 2-1 points first and see if they work. If they don't, try other points, but usually they work. So in this particular pattern, please remember that number 1 right here on the 2-1 point is a very good idea. Thank you for watching.